3.
Yeah, you ready to race with the cars?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you this red car. Whoa!
No, there's some.
And then this yellow car. Whoa! Okay, set them up. And the winner, whoever makes it first here wins. You ready?
Yeah.
Go. You have to send them from there. Click them in.
Look.
You want to send them one time? Okay, go ahead. Yay, go now.
Oh, that one's stuck.
Yeah, you fix it up. Let's fix it up. Let me fix the flag. Whichever car comes first, she will hit the flag and she will win. You ready? Go ahead, click them in. You're gonna get 3 rounds. Whoever wins, whichever car wins, this truck is disqualified.
The flag.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Almost ready.
That one first too?
Yeah.
How's that one first?
We're waiting.
Go. Ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go.
Go. Whoa, who wins? The red car.
Red car.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna send them again to you.
Look, he sent.
I'm gonna fix it again. Okay. Okay, here you go.
Yeah. Yeah, the round.
Yeah. Send it back.
No.
You wanna do it one more time?
Yeah.
Go. Click them in and send them. Go ahead. Do it.
Oh no, he gonna do this.
You have to click them in. Yep. Click the other one too. All right, good job. Are you ready?
Yeah. First Ranger.
Yeah.
Hello, first Ranger.
Ready?
No, first Ranger.
Yeah, put them in. Go ahead, fast. Ready? I'm ready back here. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go, send it. Whoa!
That one's jumping.
Yellow win this time. Last round. Okay, round 3 is the last round.
Around.
Yeah, let me help you fix it. Go ahead. Send them in. Uh-oh. Go ahead. We're gonna switch sides, okay? The yellow one on this side.
Around this side.
Yeah, switch sides, okay?
Other side.
Yeah, go back now. Click them in. Go ahead, click them in. Fastly. You got 10 seconds to click them. 10.
10.
Go ahead. I'm giving you a time. Click them in. You had to click them in.
Had this cooking in?
Yeah. 9. 8.
9.
Go ahead. Finish. Send them. You had to fix it and send it.
The red cars are
Yeah. This is the last. This. You want me to help you? Let me help you. You have to push this back like this. 1, 2. Give me the cars. 1, yellow here. Red one goes here. Wait for me to go to the other side. Come on, send it. Last round. Let's see who wins this one. Ready, set, go! You sent this one late. Wow. Okay, that's it. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, you can keep playing now, okay?